Does the universe hum a cosmic melody of its own? A question that tickles the mind and stirs the curiosity of not just astronomers and physicists, but philosophers, musicians, and poets alike. Imagine the universe, an infinite expanse of galaxies, stars, and celestial bodies, each with their unique vibrations, resonating together in a grand cosmic symphony. Does this idea sound too poetic? Well, science might beg to differ. In the heart of the universe, amidst the echoes of cosmic explosions, the hum of spinning galaxies, and the whisper of distant stars, scientists have discovered a phenomenon known as cosmic background noise. This noise, almost undetectable to the human ear, is the remnant of the Big Bang, the birth cry of the universe. Yet, this cosmic symphony isn't just a random cacophony of sounds. It is a language, a code, a pattern that reveals the secrets of the universe. Astronomers use this cosmic noise to study the universe's past, its present, and predict its future. The universe's sounds aren't confined to the vast emptiness of space. They echo on the surfaces of planets, resonate in the rings of Saturn, and whisper in the Martian winds. Each celestial body sings its unique tune, creating a harmonic symphony that reverberates across the cosmos. But the universe doesn't just make music, it listens too. The cosmic symphony influences the motion and behavior of celestial bodies. The pulsating rhythm of a neutron star, the spinning of galaxies, even the birth and death of stars, are all choreographed to the cosmic symphony. So, what's the purpose of these cosmic sounds? They serve as a cosmic metronome, maintaining order and harmony in the universe. They dictate the dance of galaxies, tune the pulsating rhythm of stars, and orchestrate the cosmic ballet of celestial bodies. To summarize, the universe is not a silent void. It hums, echoes, and resonates with the sounds of its existence. These sounds, the cosmic symphony, serve as a universal language, revealing the secrets of the cosmos, influencing the behavior of celestial bodies, and maintaining the harmony and order of the universe. But the most fascinating part is, we're all part of this cosmic symphony. Every atom in our body, every beat of our heart, every thought in our mind resonates with the universe's melody. We're not just spectators, we're participants, dancers in this grand cosmic ballet. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at a silent spectacle. You're witnessing a grand cosmic symphony, a symphony where you're both the audience and the performer.